Good morning, students. Today we will start with our new chapter, chapter 6, Study of Continents, North America. In this chapter, we will study about continent North America. But before we start with North America, we should know what are the continents, how they were formed. So in today's video, we will learn the formation of continents, and ocean. Our whole earth is covered by continents. 29% is the continent and 71% is the ocean. So our whole earth is covered by continents and ocean. The large land masses, or we can say the large lands of the earth, are called continents. These landforms are formed over 3500 millions of years ago. It is very long time period. From that time only they are changing their features. Not only on the continent, but they themselves are also moving continuously because of the movement of tectonic plates. The concept of moving continents have been first given by Antonio Snyder, a French scientist, in 1858 as the continental drift theory. In this, he explained the arrangement of continents and oceans. Due to this theory, early mapping got accuracy. At that time, some observers noticed a symmetry in the western coast of Africa and eastern coast of South America. After observing such symmetries, many theories were given at that time. In 1915, Alfred Wegener, the father of continental drift theory, presented his theory of continent drift in his book The Origin of Continents and Ocean. He was a meteorologist and a geophysicist. Meteorologist is a person who studies about the weather forecasting, and geophysicist is a person who studies about the earth physical properties and physical processes. Wegener theory was not only based upon the shape of continents but also on the geological and biological evidences. Geological is a study of earth's structure and biology is the study of all life and the living matter. So in his theory, he gave similarities in the fossils found in Brazil, which is in the South America and Africa. Fossils are the formation of plants and animals found in the rocks. He drew a series of maps showing 3 stages in the drift process. The beginning stage is called Pangea. Its meaning is all land. He believed that continents are composed of light silica rock, which was plowed, or we can say driven up from the ocean by the earth's forces. So, according to the Wegener, the Pangea or all land masses were together surrounded by the water mass called Panthalassa, which means oceans. We can also call it as a primeval oceans. He believed that the Panthalassa started breaking up in Carboniferous period, which was 300 million years back. So we can say that Carboniferous is a period from 359 to 299 million years ago. This period was famous for its vast swamp forest. Swamp forest are the forests that are filled with fresh water, or that are near the rivers and lakes. Carboniferous word came from England, which refers to rich deposits of coal. Now the present situation that we see today of all the continent is due to the fermentation of Pangaea by rifting and drifting apart of the broken land masses. Fragmentation, what do we understand by fragmentation? It is the dividing itself into a smaller parts, and rifting is a stretching of lithosphere or of land, and drifting is carried along with, means when something is carried along with. So we can say that the present situation of continents that we see today is formed due to the continents divided themselves into many parts and expanded from each other, then drifted apart. He also believed that the continent is made of sile. Sile is a combination of silica and aluminium minerals, and ocean is made of sima, that is silica and magnesium. As sile is a lighter, so it floats over the sima. Sile is a part of continents from of which the continents are made, and sima is the part from which oceans are made. Now let us study about the continents. We have 7 continents. If we talk according to the size, Asia is the largest continent, then is Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and the smallest is the Australia. Even Asia and Europe are considered as a single, as no ocean divides them. So it's also mentioned as a single continent. We have 4 oceans: Pacific as largest ocean, then is Atlantic, then Indian, and Arctic, the smallest ocean covering the North Pole. So this much for today. Next week we will start with the continent North America. Thank you.